Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the February update for the project pen, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so I do have some interesting items and we will start with one of them. And as you know, for some categories I am doing a number of uses, and for some categories I am planning just to finish the product up. And I do have a blush in the project pen, and I said that I want to do 50 uses on that blush, and that one is the cream blush from Fenty. This is the shade Petal Poppin. I really love this formula, I really love this blush. I am wearing it today, but I do have another powder blush on top. I just love layering blushes. But I said 50 uses on this, and I didn't film a close-up of the product because for these 50 uses I don't really care about how much product I am using. I only care about the number of uses, and for this product in particular, in January I did use it 20 times, and it looks like this. I had this product for 2 years and I used it a bunch because I really love it, and it was so funny that I hit pan on it the first time I used it after filming the intro. So of course now I want to finish it up. I think I will be able to finish it up in like 1 month or 2. As you can see, I have just some product in the corner. I just put it there today just to have it in one spot. I can't put a brush or a sponge in there now, so I am applying it with my fingers, but it is a good formula. I really love it and I am so excited that I'm gonna use this one up. I didn't expect it, but I am very excited now. So this is the blush. Let's talk about another product that I have an interesting update on, and that is the primer. I did finish it up. This is the Olehenriksen Banana Bright, and I cut the packaging in half, and it has just the tiniest product left in there, but it is drying out, so I consider this one done. And I don't really love this primer. It looks really nice on the skin. It is glowy and brightening, but it is peeling like crazy, and it is peeling on its own as well. So if you just apply it and you rub it into the face, and then after like 30 seconds you want to blend it a bit more, or just, I don't know, if you are touching your face, this will just peel. So I don't really love it. I'm not gonna repurchase it, but I'm very happy that I finished it up. And for a replacement of the primer, I'm gonna add into the project pen the Hello Good Stuff by Essence. I'm gonna put a short video with the close-up. I really love this primer. It is hydrating, and for the winter time, right now it is really winter in Romania. It is snowing a lot, so I think this will be very nice, and I am excited to have it in the project pen. Next we have foundation, and the Essence primer, I think it will work really nicely with the Fenty one. This is the Eaze foundation. I have the shade number 2. I'm gonna put a close-up of this one as well. I did a pretty good progress. I don't really love this foundation. It is wearing great, but with this primer it was a really bad nightmare. They are peeling both individually, so together it was a mess. But now with this primer I think it will work better, and because I am so close to finish it up, I will add another foundation in the project pen, and I'm gonna add the Tilbury Beauty for Skin. I really want to finish this one up as well. This is the shade 2 as well. I do really like this foundation. I have it on my skin today, but I used this one for the last time and it is peeling, so it is what it is. I'm gonna use this foundation with the e.l.f. Primer, the Power Grip, because this is a glowy foundation, but I really want to have this in the project pen as well, because I could see myself finishing this one in 2 weeks or something like that, and I do want to have another one in the project pen. I really love the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin. It is a really nice glowy foundation. Let's talk about the corrector next. This is the Sigma corrector. I have the shade light to medium. I do really like it. It is very, very nice. I'm gonna put the video on the screen. It is really creamy, stays very well, and I really love the shades as well. So I did a pretty nice progress, but it will take just a bit more time. Next we have the concealer. This is the NYX Bear With Me, and I have the shade Light. I really love this concealer. It is so glowy but not greasy. It looks nice. It is like a medium coverage, not cakey. And with this one as well, similar to the corrector, I did a pretty good progress, but of course it will take more months to finish it up, but I do really enjoy using it. Next product, we have the Maybelline powder, the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I have the shade number 110 Porcelain. This powder is decent. It's not my favorite powder, but right now I really like loose powder more than pressed powder, but I am using this one just to blend the edges, to blend my blush or my bronzer, and just to set this part of the face. So I do use it every time I'm doing my makeup, but I'm not gonna repurchase this particular powder after I'm done. I just prefer the NYX one, but I will finish this one up. I think it will take maybe 2-3 more months. Then I have another product with a number of uses, and that is the Rare Beauty bronzer. I do really love this bronzer. It is the shade Power Boost, and in January I used this one 20 times as well. So I usually use these two together. Today I don't have it on the skin, but in general I am using cream products together, and I really like this product. It is really great, and I just have this much of it left. I'm gonna use it 30 more times because the total number of uses it is 50, but similar to the cream blush, if I will be almost done with it, maybe I will finish it up. So we will see, depending on the progress, but it will stay in the project pen for at least 2 more months if I am constant with the number of uses. And another product that I have a number of uses of, but for this one I do have a close-up because I really want to finish this highlighter. For the other 2 products I was not planning to finish them up, but if it will happen, I am very happy, so it is what it is. But for this one I do have a close-up. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I have the shade Blossom Glow, and I just dropped it today. So in this corner in here you will see in the close-up I just broke a small piece of the product, so it is what it is. But I am using this one a lot of times. I had 13 uses in January for this one, and I do really like it. But very recently I purchased the Natasha Denona highlighter, so I just used that one a bunch of times. So there's a reason this number is a bit lower, but I will continue to use it, and we have 50 uses for this one as well. Then let's move into the gloss part of the project pen, and I did finish the gloss from Fenty. This is the shade Glass Slipper, but it is the clear one. I like the formula, but for an everyday gloss this was not it, just because it is pretty sticky, but not in a way that you are feeling the stickiness when you are wearing it. But if I'm applying this and leave it for 2 hours or something like that, and then I want to brush my teeth or something like that, I need to remove it, and it is pretty annoying, and it is still sticky, so it is a bit sticky after you remove it and stuff like that. So for that reason alone, I don't think it is the best gloss for an everyday use. But if you are going outside and leave it on your lips for multiple hours, it will stay on the lips, and for that it is really nice. So it is depending on what you are looking for, but for me it is not a perfect day-to-day gloss. And I'm gonna introduce into the project pan the Too Faced Hangover RX Pillow Balm, and I have the one in Watermelon Kiss, so it is the pink one. I've been using this one for 3 or 4 days, and this one is way better for a day-to-day wear, and I do like it. It has a bit of pigment, but not too much, but I'm not really sure if I will be able to finish this one in a month. This has 6 milliliters. Let me see how much. This one actually has 9 milliliters, so maybe I will be able to finish it in 1 month. We will see, but I did mark it and I did a close-up. And lastly, we have the monthly bonus item. That is the official name. I am calling it a bonus monthly item, even though it's not a bonus because it is technically the 10th item. But in this category, like I mentioned in the intro, I'm gonna introduce products that I want to keep in the project pan just for a month. It could be a blush, it could be eyeshadow, something that is not easy to finish up. But this month, I mean last month in January, I did introduce a lipstick. This is the MAC Runway Hit, and it looks like this. And this is the Retro Matte formula. I really like this lipstick. It is a really nice formula, and in the month of January I did use it 8 times because I decided to count the number of uses, and I think I'm gonna do that for the monthly bonus item category. And for the replacement, I decided to add another lipstick into the project pan because I did enjoy this one and I did use it 8 times, which is pretty good. So I want to add another lipstick, and that is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I am wearing it today. It is a really beautiful lipstick. I really like the packaging and everything, so I will count the number of uses of this one as well. It is a wearable shade. I really enjoy the lipstick, so I am sure that it will be a pleasure as well. The MAC one was a bit difficult to wear in some situations because it is more like a peachy shade and it is a bit more colorful, if I can call it that. This one, it's a more neutral shade, so it will work with a lot more looks. So I am excited with the new arrangement. I am very happy that I finished this product up because I really didn't enjoy it, and like I mentioned in the intro, I will allow myself to swap products out if I don't like them, but I was almost done, so I really wanted to finish that one up, and I am happy that I did. I am very excited and very surprised that I will finish this blush up. It was time for me to hit pan on this, but it was unexpected. So I am very excited for the new arrangement, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.